gosh. I just love California. It's got everything.
Did we make it?
Made it. Say hi.
Oh, hi.
What?
It's a video.
A video?
We made it. Woo, we made it.
Oh my God.
Myers family here at Yosemite National Park. What do you think, Cash? You like it? Yeah. Here is the grandfather tree, 1,800 years old, 265 feet tall. Where are you? Oh my gosh, Cash, be careful. Oh my goodness, this is so awesome. Free. This is free, people. Get out, get in your car, and go explore the world. Doesn't cost a dime to see this amazingness. And look, we're the only ones at this particular area. We passed a couple other cars. This is free, people, come on. Made it to our hotel, right over there. Oceanfront Lodge. We got this nice view right behind our hotel. We got a lighthouse over there. Got this really cool black sand rocky beach. Some great rocks and great view. There's still glass at Glass Beach. Pretty freaking awesome. Isn't that cool, guys? Instead of sand, it's glass. This is definitely another place that you guys need to come visit. Glass Beach, of course, gone. Still quite a bit of glass. Hey guys, thanks for watching. The full videos of each place will be in the description. And if you like the video, please like it. And if you'd like to keep up with our travels and our adventures, please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next trip.